Yeah, I got this 1 to 350 battleship from Peter. It's something else, and look at this. It's amazing. And lovely book with plans. I think it's around 1960 something built. I don't know. I just look it up. There is no dates yet. The hull is one solid piece of plastic, which is lovely, and it was built from the inside for take motors, so you can run your shafts. I've never seen a kit actually like this before, but it's something really beautiful. And there's the drawings around the sides of the box. And then there's a story back here about the battleship itself, the Missouri. So I'll take some photos so you can see the graphics more and the plans and that. And we'll go from there. I will build it. So its scale is 1/350. Yeah, I'm going to build this cabin area first, and then move on to this here and this other piece of the battleship Missouri, USS Missouri. So I'm just going to get started by taking the pieces off. Here I go. I'm going to start building the Missouri by starting with the cabin piece, which I just showed you on the diagram. I have some pieces to cut off here and some of the platforms, so I'll start putting this together and we'll see how far we get. Let's start. Yeah, so I've been working on this part now, and it's a cabin piece for an hour, and it's coming together slowly. But you know, a lot of the parts need cleaning and filing and fitting, so it's a little bit different to a lot of the smaller plastic models I made. Some parts are not exactly fitting the way I'd like, so, but it's coming on an hour in and I have this done. So I just want to show what I'm having a problem with. When I line it on top here, there's a gap down here. And that's my problem, and you can see it up in here again. Here, look, right here. Right? There's a gap in here, and it's lining up on top fairly well. And you know, I had to file and sand quite a bit of it to get like this. I'm also have to sand it more. There's another gap here. I'm not crazy about it, and it is flush on top, see? Oops, sorry. So I got to try to work that out, how to fix that up. So anyway, that's the first bit done. Yeah, so I've been at this for about 4 hours, say an hour off for taking breaks. And you know, I've got a lot of the cabin up top done, so it's beginning to look like a battleship. There we go.